In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play custom missions here in GTA 5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is actually super easy to go and do. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser on really any platform. I'm on my PC, but you can do this on anything. And just go to rockstargames.com/GTA5. From here, go ahead and look up in the top and you're going to see a GTA Online section. Select that and then hover over the jobs option and select that. This is going to take you to a page where you need to go ahead and sign in or just verify your age. It doesn't necessarily matter. Do one of the two. And after you do go ahead and get signed in, you're going to see all of these custom menus. You're going to see all of these custom missions. Now, what I would do is there's going to be a little filter option. Just filter specifically for mission, just like so. And after you do that, I would select creator missions. And as soon as you go and do that, you'll see all the available custom missions created by the community. Right now, there's not too many missions listed because this feature is still brand new. But as more creators start uploading missions, this section will fill up extremely quickly. From here, you'll be able to just select any of them. Like, I'll go ahead and take these off real quick and just go to like standard mission. Select it, and then it'll show you exactly how you can go ahead and play it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.